Okay, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna do a real quick video on a 2007 Toyota Tundra. It's got the 5.7 liter. It's a second generation air injection system. If you're starting to get problems, this is a real good kit to use. It's a bypass kit. I'm not gonna make a whole video on how to install it because it's really simple to install, but I'm pointing to this video as I've done several of these, them on the smaller engine and the bigger engine. Make sure that you're prepared for some of these problems that you might run into. Like this particular one, there's some bolts on the bottom. When you go to put the slider plates in, they'll tell you about it in here. They could possibly break. You want to lube them up real good, heat them up, MAP gas, lube them up real good. Also, on both situations I ran into, I needed a new computer on top of it. You can simply order a new computer from Flagship One, already pre-programmed. Here's the old one. Toyotas like to get corrupted when secondary error codes get up in there and they don't want to respond. Also, if you want to be real safe, order the pressure sensors that they offer that come with it. If your air valves are still working, they got built-in pressure sensors, so it's not that big a deal. It comes with pretty good instructions, and also the computer comes with really good instructions too. It comes with a little square box that you plug in to your thing, and it tells you to turn the key on for 30 minutes. But I'm real familiar with this. If y'all running this problem, just message me and I can walk you through it. It simply just mounts right here. You take out the old system and you just have a bunch of bypass plugs and route them up nice. This is the first time I ran this problem on this one. There's not an easy wire diagram. We had a ruined plug that was melted. I had to rewire that thing, and trying to find a wire diagram was a nightmare because I knew what one wire was, but there was still four more. Once I was able to eliminate one of them because they don't use it, it's a ground. I had to go through hours of footage to find a good picture of some guy taking one off, and I was able to figure it out from there. But you're gonna run into a few problems. If this is your only truck and you're trying to do this on a one-day repair or a couple-hour repair, you're better off getting that ECM. Like I said, it's probably less than $300. The kit's probably about $450. That's still less than probably one repair on the air pumps going out or the switching valves going out. It's worth doing, but you're going to run into those things and you don't even know it till you get the directions, and the manufacturer literally tells you in great detail that you'll probably run into some of these things, but they don't tell you that when you buy it. Again, this product is made by Hewitt Technologies Inc. It's really good. It's worked twice. I recommend it, but I just recommend follow my instructions so you don't have to have a repair that stretches on for days. I was able to do this one on one day because I already thought ahead of time and got the new computer and installed it. Other guys might disagree, I don't know, but I'm telling you from personal experience, I fix a lot of cars. I fix about 40 cars a week. God bless you. Have a great day.